we'd like to welcome you to Los Angeles. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened to the back of tray table in that full upright and locked position, and all those carry-on stowed right where they are. When the captain does turn off that fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when you open the overhead bins. Items tend to shift during flight and they could fall out. You may now use those cellular functions on those portable electronic devices. Just please remain seated with your carry-on stowed. If you're continuing on to another Southwest Airlines flight, go in the terminal, check TV monitors. We'll have the most up-to-date flight gate numbers for you. If you are continuing on to Phoenix on Southwest Airlines flight 3793, this is your aircraft. Please remain seated while the local passengers deplane. Once they do, we're going to come from the back and count you. At that point, we'll make an announcement and let you know that you're free to stretch your legs, do what you gotta do. But please just remain in that original seat until you hear that announcement. Also, guys, do us a favor, look around, check those seat back pockets, make sure you have all those cell phones, keys, wallets. Once you step off the aircraft, you cannot step back on to retrieve those items, so just make sure you have everything you came on board with. Please be advised, aircraft doors will be open here for ground servicing, so for your safety or any children you may be supervising, please remain clear of that front and back galley service door. Basically, just exit out that door you came in on. My wheelchair passengers, just remain seated just an extra second longer, and let me double check that they are here and ready for you. Also, guys, do me a favor, if you are seated next to a window, go ahead and close that window shade. It'll help keep the aircraft cool for all the passengers coming on board here in Los Angeles. I know that they will really appreciate that. We've certainly enjoyed spending a portion of our day with you. We know you have very many choices when you fly. We thank you so much for choosing Southwest Airlines. Go out, have a great rest of your week, and welcome to Los Angeles.